Hi. Let's learn how to connect Okex exchange in SageMaster. Log in to your Okex account and go to Trade. Select Derivatives AMP Margin Trading. Go to Settings. Click on Account Mode. Select Account Mode. Now go to Manage Account. Click on API. Click the Create v5 API key. Give permissions to API trading as shown on screen. Enter a label of your choice and passphrase for this exchange. Copy the passphrase and save. Give permission to trade. And click Confirm. Confirm two-factor authentication. API key has been created. Now copy API key and paste it to SageMaster. Click on Manage Exchange. Click on Connect Exchange. Select Okex Exchange and enter a label of your choice for this exchange. Paste API key and API key secret. Click Connect Exchange. Congratulations! You have connected your exchange to SageMaster.